Hi everyone, this is Colin. Welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're going to talk about patchy beards. It's one of the questions I get asked the most on social media and YouTube. What do I do with a patchy beard? So there are a lot of things you can do, and here are some tips. For example, if you have a patchy beard, a little few patches on your cheek, what you can do there is you can grow it out a little bit longer than usual, and then you can use your beard brush. Instead of brushing straight down, you can brush it out to the side, and that'll help cover up the patch on your cheek. If you have a patch on your chin, for example, that's a little bit more difficult. What you could do is you could grow the hair that is under your lip and bring it down and kind of cover that area. But what that does, that reminds me of when I was losing my hair and I had a long piece of hair here, and I basically had a comb over my bald spot, and that's not really the best look, so I probably would avoid that. If you do have a patch on your chin that you can't kind of cover over by growing out a little bit more and using your brush, what I would do is I would just give yourself a clean shaven chin. You can drop your side locks down a little bit lower and just give yourself a killer moustache. I think that might work a little bit better. Remember that genetics has a part to play in it as well. Young guys in their early 20s may not have as good a beard as they will have in their 30s, so definitely patience is something that you have to think about as well. Be careful of these social media scams. You know, on YouTube, or not on YouTube, but on social media and probably YouTube, you can see things like beard rollers and also pills that you can take that are kind of beard growth vitamins. What I would do is completely avoid stuff like that. They're there to kind of part you with your money, and they aren't cheap. They're quite expensive, and they kind of have ridiculous guarantees, like you'll get a fuller beard in like something like 150 days or 200 days, and your beard is going to grow, you know, quite a lot in that time anyway. The last tip I would give you is to get the help of a good beard barber. Now that the barbershops are open, a barber can give you a nice trim. He can leave some areas a little bit longer than others and kind of give you the look of a nice full beard. So listen, if you do have a patchy beard, there's plenty you can do about it. I'm here to kind of ease your insecurities on that. Everyone is different. Like I said, like I have a big full beard, but I'm completely bald on top. So everyone has their different qualities. So you know, you can make it work for you, whatever type of beard you have. If you have any questions that you would like to ask me, you can get me on social media, on Instagram and Facebook, and of course on YouTube as well. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.